Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create mockups in Adobe Xd. Open Adobe Xd and set your artboard size before importing assets. Start by defining a clear grid and consistent spacing to speed design decisions. Import logos and images at the right resolution to keep crisp visuals. Use components for reusable elements like headers and buttons so updates propagate. Save iterative versions to track progress and avoid losing work. Organize your interface by building components for anything repeated, such as nav bars and buttons. Detach or override instances when you need variations without breaking the master. Use responsive resize to preview how components behave across screen sizes like mobile and tablet. Group components logically with clear names to help teammates find them fast. Regularly update the main component to push consistent changes across every instance in your mockups. Switch to prototype mode to connect screens and craft a believable user flow for testing. Add transitions and auto-animate where appropriate to convey motion and emphasis. Set triggers like tap or drag to reflect real interactions a user would perform. Preview regularly on a device to validate timing and spacing. Iterate until the experience feels natural, then document interaction notes for developers to ensure accurate implementation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.